Hey guys, Mike again from Custom Electronics. Oh, this one's a bit bigger. Yeah, just doing a couple of pedal demos. I have a delay pedal I did here for one of my friends in Beneath the Sheets. This is for Mike, the rhythm guitarist. This is just a delay pedal. What I did was I ordered the board from a PCB distributor online, and I did a bunch of breadboarding and testing, and was able to do a couple of mods to kind of darken up the delay a little bit, filter out some of the noise that was coming through the pedal, and just make it an overall, darker, more analog sounding delay. This is built with a single PT 2399 chip, which doesn't really mean a whole lot to a bunch of you that'll be watching the video, but for those who are building and or trying to get into building, that's really one of the better chips you can use for delay pedals is the PT2399. There are a bunch of other builds for it, like the Echo Base, and there's hundreds of others, but I geared this one to sound more darker, kind of like the analog DM2s or the early model DM3 by Boss, but only because those are one of my favorite analog delay pedals. But without ado, here we go. This is just a quick quick demo of this. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but I have an idea of how I'm going to paint it, so I'll be doing that this week. But once again, here's a demo of the pedal itself, and we'll start with just a clean bypass signal, and then I will do a distorted signal as well, because I'll do a few samples of the distorted signal as well. So here's a clean. And here's my distorted without the delay pedal on. So now we'll do a clean sample. See, it's kind of dark right now, so we're going to turn everything up just a little bit so you can hear it a little bit better. Let's get the repeats way up. So I have here level, time, repeats. So we'll get the level up a little bit more too. So you can hear it almost start to self-oscillate. There is a way to make it self-oscillate, but I decided to opt out of that because they wouldn't really use anything in the band. So let's crank this up and bring the Alright, so there's a little bit of a clean, and now actually I can do a rhythmic in the clean too. Let's get that going. It's a little bit of a slap back. So you just kind of mess around with it. Everybody likes to play with knobs, especially if you're a pedal head like me. So now we'll do a distorted. The delay really seems to shine with a bit of a crunch to it. So even if you have a little bit of a boost on the signal, the pedal really starts to shine through. So let's throw a little bit of distortion on it. See how much it picks up? crank up the time a little bit, bring the level back. See, that's just one stroke of the strings there. Crank the time way up. You can get some really good sounds out of these things. That's a really good rhythmic delay right there, so we'll just kind of do a minor adjustment here, and then we'll play a little bit of a rhythmic tone for you. Throw a little bit of a slap back on there. So, we'll do a little bit of a, so I have a boost channel on my amp. So why don't we do just a little bit of a demo with a signal boost. So you can hear it start to come through a lot more. I mean, you can still hear it, but it's just a dark delay altogether, which is really good. A lot of people kind of sought after dark delays, but there is the demo of the delay pedal for my buddy Mike in the band Beneath the Sheets. So yeah, once again, Mike from Cust Ohm Electronics, just showing you guys some cool shit that I build. All right.